Hello students, to continue with Statistics for Economics chapter Measures of Central Tendency part 4. You know that the three most commonly used averages are mean, median and mode. Today we are going to study median. Median is the positional value of the variable which divides the distribution into two equal parts. One part comprising all the values greater than or equal to the median value and other comprising all values less than or equal to it. The median is the middle element when data set is arranged in order of the magnitude. In statistics, median is indicated by M. In order to locate the median value, all items of a series are arranged in either the ascending order or in descending order. In ascending order, the lowest value is placed first, that is, higher value follows the lower values. In descending order, lower value follows the higher value. Now, calculation of median in individual series, that is ungrouped data. Height of 7 students is given as 140 centimeter, 142, 144, 145, 151, 149, 147. Then first step is to arrange this height in ascending or descending order. Here we have arranged the height in ascending order. The first student, the height is 140 centimeter, then 142, 144, 145, 147, 149 and 151. So total number of students n is equal to 7. Now m, that is median, is equal to size of n plus 1 by second item. M is equal to size of 7 plus 1 by second item, which is equal to fourth item. So here the fourth item is 145. So median height of the student is 145 centimeter. Now suppose if there are even numbers in the data, then there will be two observations which fall in the middle. In this case, the median is calculated as the arithmetic mean of two middle values. Now you look at the second numerical, that is here the weight of 8 students is given. Here we have arranged the weight in descending order. It is your choice whether to arrange in ascending or in descending order. So serial number of 8 students is mentioned here. Then weight is arranged in descending order, that is 76 kilogram, 75, 73, 72, 71, 70, 68 and 64. So M is equal to size of n plus 1 by second item. So median is equal to 8 plus 1 upon second item, which is equal to 9 by 2, that is 4.5th item. So in this case, median is equal to size of fourth item plus fifth item divided by 2. Fourth item is 72, fifth item is 71. So median is average of both, that is 72 plus 71 upon 2, which is equal to 71.5 kg is the median weight of 8 students. Now calculation of median for grouped data. Here we are taking first the case of discrete series, which is also known as frequency array. In this case, the income of 4 persons is given as 10, 20, 30 and 40 rupees respectively. Number of persons here are mentioned as, that is, since it is discrete series, So exact measurement of items is possible. That is, 2 persons are earning rupees 10, 4 are earning rupees 20, 10 people are earning income 30 and 4 people are earning income 40. So we will calculate cumulative frequency first, which is 2. Then second case में 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 10 16, 16 plus 4 20. So the same formula we are going to write. Median is equal to size of n plus 1 by second item. So size of n is 20, that is sigma f. 20 plus 1 by second item, which is equal to 10.5th item, which lies in cumulative frequency 16. The income corresponding to this is 30. So median income is rupees 30. Now continuous series, which is also known as frequency array. In case of continuous series, the data are first arranged in ascending order. Then we do calculations. So here the class intervals are given, that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Frequency is given as 8, 30, 40, 12 and 10. Again in this case we will calculate cumulative frequency, which is equal to 8, 8 plus 30, 38, 38 plus 40, 78, then 78 plus 12, 90, 90 plus 10, 100. Sigma f is also equal to 100. So here the formula is median is equal to size of n by second item. So here the formula is changed. It is n by second item, which is equal to 100 upon second is equal to 50th item. So size of 50th item, which appears first in cumulative frequency 78, and corresponding class interval is 20 to 30. It means median lies somewhere between 20 to 30. Let us find out what is the exact median. For this we will write an formula, which is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into I. Here the Cf we will take of the first class interval, that is not 78, we will take 38. Frequency is of same class interval. L1 is lower class interval, that is 20, and I is the magnitude of class interval, which is 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. So after putting the values, we get 20 plus 100 by 2 minus 38 upon 40 into 10. So in this way we will get 20 plus 12 upon 40 into 10. 20 plus 3, 23 is the median mark scored by the students. So students, there can be any type of continuous series. It may be cumulative frequency series, it may be inclusive series, but what is to be done? They have to be converted first into exclusive series, and they have to be arranged in ascending order. Then and only then you shall be able to calculate exact median. So we have also learned how to locate median graphically in the chapter presentation of data. So it is clear median is widely used measure of central tendency, particularly in the field of socioeconomic studies. It is very simple. It is free from the effect of extreme values also. Graphic presentation is also possible, but still median also suffers from some limitations, that is, it is not sensitive to all the values in a series because it concentrates on the value of central items of the data. Thank you, students.